Hey everyone, SwarupFPV here and welcome back to the channel. Today is a very special day. It's the first day of the Bengali New Year 1432, also known as Poila Boishakh. And I want to take a moment to share this joyous occasion with you all. In Bengali, we say Subho Noboborsho, which translates to Happy New Year. It's time for new beginnings, celebrating culture and sharing happiness with your friends and family. So sit back and enjoy this soothing cinematic flight around my locality on this joyous day. So from my heart to yours, Subho Noboborsho again, and thank you for being a part of Wingman's family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more FPV adventures. And as always, fly safe, happy flying, happy learning.